Well, we figured out why Avalanche AVAX has been pumping. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Smash the like button, subscribe down below. You guys know that we give you guys the hottest crypto news right off the press, bring it to you, give you everything you need to know so you can make better investing decisions. I'm fired up today, as you guys can see, and Avalanche just got a little bit more interesting. Now, it might not be for everybody because we're going to talk about this partnership, and it might hit some people the wrong way. I'm not an investor right now in AVAX, but there might be some room to make, room to be made rather in my portfolio for a little bit of AVAX after this news, because as you guys know, I don't get caught up in the whole centralized versus decentralized conversation all the time. I get it, but it doesn't deter me necessarily from investing in different assets. As long as I fundamentally know what I'm getting into, what my plans are, AVAX is no longer decentralized, I'll tell you that. Especially after the news that broke today. Check this out. Avalanche AVAX up 17% on rare JP Morgan embrace. Yeah, JP Morgan Chase. Check this out, guys. Smash that like button too. You guys know you guys are getting some hot information right now with AVAX. And we were looking at Avalanche. We saw some capital flow in here just a few days ago. It was up 24%. I guarantee some people were buying behind the scenes. Well, check it out. Avalanche is up over $20 now. The growth comes at a time when altcoins are experiencing consolidation and bearish market encroachment. This article written a little while back, but out today. Now, listen, we're going to come to the chart here on Avalanche here in just a second too, but check this out. We've got a collaboration under the umbrella of Project Guardian, and it involves the utilization of Layer 0 Labs to link Onyx with permissioned Avalanche Evergreen subnet. This integration aims to streamline subscriptions and redemptions for funds offered by Wisdom Tree Prime, marking a huge stride toward revolutionizing the asset and wealth management industry. The proof of concept conducted by Onyx and Apollo Global demonstrates how blockchain tech and tokenization can automate portfolio management. Tokenization of real-world assets, guys. Although the concept was tested in a controlled environment, it lays the groundwork for potential widespread adoption, showcasing the transformative power of blockchain in reshaping traditional financial processes. So Avalanche is getting in bed with the centralized authorities here. Avalanche Evergreen subnets play a pivotal role in this collaboration, serving as individual blockchains tailored to meet institutional needs. We know institutions are coming in hot and heavy, and certain blockchains are going to choose to zig, others will choose to zag. You look at Caspa, completely decentralized, layer 1, far removed from something like this. But guess what? I think we can make money in both situations, right? Avalanche, there's still money to be had there. Caspa is one of my top holdings now. I think Caspa's primed for huge, huge gains. But this initiative aligns seamlessly with Ava Labs' mission and digitize and tokenization of global assets, leveraging Avalanche's unique attributes of speed, scalability, and customizability. Interesting thing about Avalanche, what they're also doing here, guys, they're also getting into fractionalized real estate. Had a great conversation with a guy over a beer, actually, last year in Florida about that. He actually worked at AVAX. Pretty crazy. But Avalanche's remarkable surge comes on the heels of a challenging period. The crypto experienced a significant drop, with 99% of addresses reporting losses just recently. But this is how quick it can change. And again, I get it. This is centralized. A lot of people will say, I'm staying away from that with a 10-foot pole. I get it. But having that mindset sometimes, just know you're missing out on gains. You're missing out on opportunities. Rather than have that mindset, why not say, okay, hey, listen, I'm going to maybe allocate a little bit to AVAX, have a profit-taking plan here because I think they're going to see an institutional push here. That's how I'm thinking about it. At least that's my opinion. In addition to the collaboration with JP Morgan, Avalanche marked an earlier milestone with the launch of Landslide Network. This is a project introducing the Inter-Blockchain Communication, or IBC, protocol to AVAX. Avalanche has introduced Hyper SDK and Avalanche Warp messaging, both of which have significantly contributed to recent growth push as well. And there you go. Avalanche, which had a massive, massive run. We'll take a look at the charts. Had a massive run last year. Was down nearly 99%. But guys, back on October 23rd, this was a day that a lot of altcoins flashed our momentum up indicator. 94% up since the momentum up indicator flashed. If you're wondering where this indicator is from, it's mine. I sell it. Links down below. If you guys are interested, check it out. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you guys want to know when to get in, when the pros get in, that's why I had this built. I spent $10,000 on it, used it like crazy. I am super happy and thrilled to bring it to you guys for as low as $37 a month. That's literally a little bit more than $1 a day. Look what you missed here on a 24-day move from Avalanche, 93%. 45-day move on Solana. We looked at that earlier, 170%. Chronos, signal flashed. Every single altcoin that is pumped, our signal called it at a time period where it was undervalued and there were gains to be had. Links down below in the description. But AVAX, in my opinion, can certainly get back to all-time highs. If I were to open up a position here, I'm looking for maybe about an 8 to 10x from current price levels, getting back to about 160. That would be just setting new all-time highs. At 20 bucks today, 160 would get over our 145 all-time high range. I think we could get there certainly in the next bull run. That would be kind of my exit strategy at this point today, knowing what we know. But I'll tell you this, before this, I wouldn't even looked at it. But hey, JP Morgan, tokenization of real assets, tokenization of real estate, tokenized real estate. Avalanche has a niche here, and they're carving out an interesting one right now in the cryptocurrency space as layer ones continue to see big runs. Appreciate you guys. As always, thanks for stopping back by the channel. Check out all the links down below in the description if you're looking for XT Algo. Again, easy trading made simple. Links down below. Get started today. Join over 300 of us who are getting these alerts, customized alerts for their favorite crypto and stocks. Start trading and knowing when to get in with the pros. 85% of traders use some type of indicator. Listen, if you don't like mine, find one you do, because it's only going to help you ahead of this next bull cycle. And again, it doesn't have to be just for trading. It can be used just to find your best entry point for long-term investing as well. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you. Let's go.